Hi, everybody, and welcome to Island Packet in the 44-foot Motor Sailor Trawler. Rob and I are here today to give you another quick look at the engine room on board the boat that we're very proud of. We've got nearly 4-foot headroom, and of course, we'll give you that stool to sit on, so when you're down here working, you've got a nice, comfortable place to sit. We've got the big access opening in the engine room, so you can actually stand up some, move around. That goes up into the salon. So nice big opening, which is really nice and convenient. You are going to be able to get down here from stairs through the salon or through the lift up stairs that go into the forward stateroom area. So we've obviously got our 110 Yanmar engine. We've got our complete fuel manifold fuel system mounted here, which consists of dual Raycor filters with the vacuum gauge, the Northern Lights fuel filter. We've got our fuel manifold system here where you can polish the fuel, you can prime the fuel filters, and you can actually decide what tank you want to draw off of. This boat has the optional 50-gallon fuel tank. So standard, the boat comes with a 180-gallon fuel tank forward, and then these owners added this 50-gallon optional tank here. This could also be a 50-gallon water tank if you want, or it could be a storage area, which on the boat that Leslie and I are going to build, I'm going to make this a storage area because I really believe 180 gallons of fuel is plenty for me. This is the holding tank, and this holding tank services just the owner's toilet. So you have a complete separate system for both heads that are basically 50 gallons each. So if, for example, if one toilet or one head or something went down, you still have a complete 100% backup system with the other toilet. We will build the boat with just one head if you want. There's many optional ways to build the interior of this boat. We're very, very excited about it. As we go past the optional fuel tank, we've got our water manifold here. And this water manifold is designed so that you can literally shut off every faucet and every connection, both hot and cold, on board the boat. So let's say you develop a water leak underneath the cabinet on the cold side in the owner's galley, or excuse me, the owner's head. Then all you have to do is, these will all be labeled. You come in here, you turn the valve off that you want to work on. It takes the water away from that faucet only. In fact, even just that cold water side of that faucet only, and allows you to fix that leak without having to shut down the entire water system of the boat. So we're very proud of our manifold system that we do, obviously the freshwater pump. And then this is our Seagull filter, and we filter the water for drinking, even though most of the owners still drink bottled water, but this is safe to drink from on the filtered side that's in the galley, as well as both cold water spigots in the heads. Aft, we're along the starboard side. We've got the Spectra water maker. This is a 12-volt, 400-gallon a day water maker, so it can certainly keep up with any freshwater needs that the people need. And then behind that, or right next to it, we have our stainless steel isotherm adjustable temperature 12-gallon hot water heater. So the finest hot water heater you can buy. And I've had some of my owners actually tell me that they shut off the hot water heater at night, they go to bed, they get up in the morning, and they still have hot water. They've actually taken a shower before engaging the hot water heater because it holds the water that well. So that's a really, really nice setup. On a little bit after that, we have our opening to the lazarette. So you will have access to the lazarette from the engine room, as well as the lazarette to the engine room. And then moving on forward, now in the center ship of the boat, or in the aft part of the engine room, very center line of the trawler, we've got our 6 kW Northern Lights generator. All right. And then we've got batteries to starboard. And then we have an 80-gallon water tank below that. And then, of course, a 80-gallon water tank that I forgot to point out on the other side. So they balance each other. So we end up with about 160 gallons of water on board the boat, plus a 400-gallon a day water maker, and about 230 gallons of fuel on board this boat. All right. And so really nice engine room. We've got engine room lights down here that we have not hooked up yet. But in the next video we're going to be having this thing lit up like you won't believe with the standard engine room lights. All right. We've gone to Marilon through hulls, so we don't have to bond these. You don't have to ever worry about electrolysis or anything like that. We do believe that the Marilon builds a superior product to what we were using in the past. So that's a great tour of the engine room. And there's access, obviously, from the top, from the salon, where we have this opening. There will be a ladder that comes down, stainless steel ladder. There's also access underneath the stairs that go to the forward staterooms, as through all the boats. So that will lift up so that you can come through that opening there as well. So dual access, actually triple access into the engine room from any point on the boat. So really, we're so excited about this boat in the engine room, and we can't wait to show it to you in person. Thank you, and God bless.